In this video, I'm going to be showing you about the e-textbooks that are available in the SJSU library for students. To begin, let's start here at the SJSU homepage. Click on e-textbooks. Here, you can search the domain for your textbook. However, if you want, you can click in the search box here to quickly find your book. If you are typing for a specific book and it does not appear, that means it is not available. So say, for example, if I was just looking for a book named Gamer, no matching records found. For example purposes, let's say I'm looking for Kindred. So since it's already here, I could click on that. You will be prompted with a page to show you which sources are available. Kindred is available for full text at ProQuest eBook Central Academic Complete. Some options may require you to log in your SJSU. If required to, enter in those credentials. If not, click on the book. Also, on the availability on the book will be dependent on SJSU's accessibility on the book. However, for Kindred, the institution has unlimited access to this book, so we are able to read online, download the book, or download as a PDF chapter. Choose which option will best fit your need.